Hello guys, welcome back to another video here. We are doing a new series on hack the box. So this is one of the another machine which I wanted you guys to have a look into it. You might guys understand like some kind of basic coding understanding here. So this one is the name called BabyEncryption, I believe. Yes, yeah, let me go. It's based on the crypto, guys. I forgot to tell you that. So this is kind of a new episode here we are doing, which is having a 10 points, and this machine is very easy, guys. So you just don't need to worry about anything else. So what exactly is the challenge description here? You are after an organized crime group which is responsible for the illegal weapon marketing in your country. As a secret agent, you have to infiltrate the group enough to be included in meetings with clients. During the last negotiations, you find one of the confidential messages for the customer. Okay, it contains crucial information about the delivery. Do you think you can decrypt it? Yes, I believe we can decrypt this. Okay, it's incomplete. It's been released 5 days ago. Okay, you guys can give respect to the PT4, P3T4. Its challenging rating is based on the 4.9 here, up to 5, so that is good. And this one is based on the crypto, right? So you guys can enjoy it while you're making a code on basis of this one. You just need to understand how the code exactly is working here. So let me download the file here. Where do I have to go with this? Nope. Save file. Okay, let's come back to the terminal, and that has been okay. Move BabyEncryption to yep. Let me move this to documents in my hack the box directory. So let's come back from the cd documents cd hack the box. Let me clear this screen here. You guys can see. Let's see what we got. So this is BabyEncryption.zip. Oh, it's basically comes in a this zip file. Let's just unzip this. BabyEncryption. Yep, password will be the hack the box. You guys can see the zip password will be hack the box. Okay, now you can see there's another 2 file which you have got. That is, one is chal.py and another one is message.encryption. Okay, so let's see what we got here as chal.py. Okay, import string. What exactly is doing here is from a secret import message. There's a definition of encryption. So they're defining a encryption here. So that is called a CT. There is another for loop here. So that is called char. Each character in the message that whatever the message is, we have to check it. So the each character in that message will be appended to this formula here. So what is exactly formula is doing? So 1 to 3 is basically that is the number of characters in that length, I believe, and that is that is multiplying with the character plus 18. So that is, I think, to make it as ASCII. So they're trying to make it as ASCII. It's based on the ASCII. They're trying to do it. So the return bytes, they're putting in the return value. Again, they're coming back to another thing here. So the CT can be defined here now. The encryption within a message, that will be the message. So again, they're opening the file. There is message.encryption. You can see here, that is the file. And they're trying to write in a hexadecimal form and trying to close it. So that's what it is. Let me see what's message.encryption we got. Okay, we got an encrypted key here, so that we have to decrypt it. So how are we gonna do this? There's a lot of other ways, guys, you can do it. You need to understand what string, what ASCII it is, is it a ASCII or any other form of encryption they have it, so that you have to understand it. But let me see, I can write down a formula if you want it. There's like another this called, what is it, you have to write a Python code or something on that one, so then you can do it by that way. So let me see what I can do here. What do we do? Let's win that file, or else let me open my VS Code here so that you guys can see what I am doing. Open the file. What is that file name? In documents, hack the box, shell.py, and okay, basically get rid of this one. We're going to rewrite the code in a different form, in a different way, what exactly it should be. So there's no walkthroughs here. If you guys getting confused about anything here, guys, let's come back to the point that what we have to do here is like, since we know it is within the ASCII range, we can brute force the characters within the range of 33 to 126, as those are possible letters in the flag. Might be, this will give us the following description algorithm, which I have written, or which I'm going to write the code here. So let's see what we can. As a module we have to brute force as a model, one way in the function, for example, that let me show that here, what I was trying to tell you guys. So you guys can see that first two letters of this one is 6E. So that is kind of what first two characters in message, that in that encryption file is actually 110 in decimal from the ASCII table. If you try to look into the ASCII table to drive 1110 after module 256, there can be many possible to get 1110. So there is another possible ways that you can try it, but let me go to this one and try to encrypt another this chal file here. So what we're going to do is we're going to define a FD value that is equal to open that file which we have. What is that file? That is message.encryption. No, it's not there. Message.enc, and we can give it a comma here, and we're going to read that file. So after reading the file, we're going to put a secret module here that is equal to FD, so that which we have defined dot read. So that is way that it's going to read the value of that secret, and we're going to define another CT value here. So why we are defining a lot of things here, let me put that as bytes dot from hexadecimal, you can say from hexadecimal to, and this secret we're going to combine together here, right? So then come back to the another point, that now decrypted string we have to apply. Decrypted underscore str. So that we're going to in the plain brackets, so that we're going to derive in a for loop. Sorry about that. For loop for each character in that CT which we have above. Let me define the point that again another for loop we're going to try, so that will going to give us a better value. Let me put this like in, we're going to try to brute force, right? So in a form of 33 to 126 range, so that will be 33, oh sorry, what is this 33 comma 126, Oh, no, no. Oh, sorry, that I forgot to do it. If we're going to give a value as like if 123 multiplies and with the brute value plus 18, that should be the standard number. So we are going to try to like what you can try to check it if it's in a ASCII range by putting as a percentage value space 256. That's how we do it in the Python. So trying to evaluate the value, is it there in the within the range of ASCII range or not. So we're going to give that value as is equal to that will be character. I can say that. Sorry about that I used to spell it like the character would be like character sometimes. That you feel like, oh, what is saying. Let me put to description here. Decrypted string will goes back to plus, and that should be equal, right? I think, I don't remember. Let's see if it's give back any this one. What is that? What is that? Oh, I forgot to break it. We're going to break, or else it will going to continue that loop again and again. So that will be a bad mess for us. So let me print that value here. That should be should ask for print value, right? Print value should be what? That decryptor string. Yes, I think. Let me save this. So come back here. Python 3 char.py. Oh, it's 2. I thought it is not gonna work because I was not trying to put that value this one equal. So that will give. We are just trying to brute force here, right? So we're going to take that file and we're going to put that as a secret, and we're going to read that as a secret module. Then we're going to put that value as a CT as a bytes from a hexadecimal, and then writing it back to the secret. So then the decrypted string will come up. We're going to brute force the value with that whatever the number, whatever the encrypted data will be there in that one. So there we go, guys. We got the value. By running that code, we will get the delivery time and our flag. So that's what we are getting. So this is the delivery time, and this will be our, what do you say, guys? Let me hear it from you. So I can't hear it. I was in the record. I'm in recording now. So let's see if it's work. Let me give this. Oh, sorry. So it's kind of like easy or not easy. Piece of a cake, piece of a shit. What is that one? Okay, let's see if it works. I hope it should. Oh, flag was being accepted. Nice. That's how it is, guys. So it was quite good enough to understand you how the things are going around here. So that's just the basic code you have to run in the Python and try to get the flag as possible. You just need to brute force it, whatever the file you have got, and how you can do it by yourself. I made it so big so that you guys can see it. Let me see here. Let's see. Okay, yeah, guys, that's all it is here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll try to bring it in a in this one, that encrypted or whatever the crypto side. We're going to bring more videos in the crypto categories. Also, we're trying to bring more videos in the forensics also and reversing also. That's kind of things which I like to start in my way as possible. So there are other ways you can do it by trying to manipulate the other machines. That is going to do it. I need to complete other paths and the tracks that you guys going to have an access when you try to when you first come to the hack the box. Whatever the starting point will be there, the 3 tiers are there that I have to complete it. So I'll put those videos, or else go watch and like, share and subscribe guys. Thank you for watching.